Welcome back to the garage. Today we're gonna be working on the butt. So got the paint car all painted up. What we're gonna do is put the back end back together. Probably you can see down here. Got my bumper, which I'm gonna leave in black gel coat because I feel like it. And then I got the rear valance there, and then I'll put on the quarter panel extensions, and hopefully that'll look good. But anyway, that's what we're gonna do. I'll toss you on the tripod, and let's get this thing tossed in. All right, so first thing is first, you put the rear valance on, which is this guy right here, and it goes up right up under there, and it just goes on, or I've been putting it on anyway, with some self-tapping screws. You can probably see, got a couple holes right here that align with that hole, and what I've been doing there is using that as my reference point. And then there's another hole right here which goes with that guy. That way it goes in the same place, same time. So what I'm gonna do is toss those in and toss a couple other screws in, and we be good to go, theoretically. So I get all on my head. I'm not sure if this is a good view or not. I don't know if you like the GoPro on the old head thing, but if you do, let me know. Like, you know, just hey Joe, good idea, or Joe, crap idea, don't do it anymore. Open to feedback for this Martin Scorsese level awesome cinematography. All right, little guy, we'll go right up here. Come on, toss that in there. It doesn't need to be super tight, right? Don't need to be wrenching on this thing too much. What I want to do is just take a look, see, right? Got a nice little gap there. I think it's about the same over on the other side. Got my safety sandals on. Nope, wrong hole.
That's what she said.
Wrong hole. So this one is wrong. If you notice, there were the two holes over here. I put it in the right one. I need to put it in the left one, I think. Let's see here. That should line up a little bit better. That looks all right. Yeah, I think that's what I'm supposed to be using. And then center lines up right there. Everything looks nice and even. All right, we're gonna send it. All right, so we got screws in, tail panels in place, or valance, whatever you want to call it. On the back side of here, there's supposed to be a little bracket that has a little J-clip, and then you bolt in from inside the trunk. However, that was missing. I didn't weld on a new one, and instead I'm just gonna go for it.
Man, we did it. What is this, amateur hour?
So what I'm gonna do is drill a little hole in here, right through the bumper, and I'm gonna put a little ribbon in there. Probably not the right way. Some of y'all probably just cringe right now, but that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll do it on the same on the other side because this is the original valance, and it's, you know, I mean, hell, it's a little dented up down here, you probably see, but I'm okay with that, right? Because I'm not going for super fancy, perfect, etc. It'll look good. It's on the very bottom of the car. I doubt anyone would notice, but except for everybody watching this, all 27 people. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna do.
Want to touch the hiney? Arr!